This gentle shampoo helps to exfoliate the scalp, free your hair from impurities, hard water, and hydrate to restore shine and volume. This clarifying hair and scalp treatment is here to bring back your bounce. The treatment lifts impurities and buildup as the ultimate revitalizing and clarifying hair and scalp health solution. Hard water, deadened cells, toxins, and product buildup lead the assault on our lovely locks. And left unaddressed, hair becomes lackluster, limp, dull, dry, wiry, and tired. This clarifying treatment helps to balance the scalp's biome and normalize oil production, restoring scalp health to promote healthy hair growing so that it's stronger, smoother, and shinier from the root. Willow bark and Alpha-Hydroxy acids work together to gently exfoliate, clarify, and cleanse the hair follicles and scalp without stripping them of their healthy oils while maintaining the scalp's healthy biome. Zinc and calcium found naturally in sea algae and seed oils nourish and calm your dry, irritated scalp while imparting UV and free radical protection to protect your hair. The sulfate-free formula encourages softer, fuller, and more manageable hair in the end. Actives including concentrated seed oils, strengthening peptides, and youth-renewing proteins that are mainly built from plant proteins are all there to help speed up the scalp health and the healing process. So this shampoo and treatment combined is truly an excellent product to use prior to coloring your hair to remove buildup or for efficient pigment delivery so that you can have lasting tone and lasting shine after your hair is treated with color.